Hi everyone, it's a very quick video that regarding my weight gain. So who all are into this weight gaining, please watch it. Others can skip this video. Start നല്ല ഉഷാറായിട്ട് വീശുന്നുണ്ട്. Actually, I was just sitting outside my house and I just read with the lot of DMs. Like one of my reel went viral regarding my weight gain, like 38 kg to 50 kg. And lot of people from Tamil Nadu and from North India got they messaged me and tell me, I want to know, please help me. I don't know Malayalam and they want to know like that. This whole video is going to be in English. Okay, I'm not that much of perfect in English, but still I was trying to speak. I hope so you guys will understand, and this video will help you all. I will try to end it up as soon as possible. Maximum, I will try to make this video short, but maybe if it get little long, still, so you guys please watch completely, so you will understand how I gain my weight, and I'm sharing completely my personal experience. Okay, so first of all, when I was starting the weight gaining journey, I was 38 kg, and I also thought so I will never gain weight because from past 5-6 years I was on 38, 39, 38, 39. So I don't know how it will I never thought so I was able to gain weight. Then once I was done with my weight gaining, when I reached 50 kg, I understood that it is possible for everyone who who follows that process disciplinedly, they can gain weight. So first of all, we need to understand that why we are not gaining weight. It's because we say that we don't gain weight, but because we are not eating food properly, we are not giving proper sleep, proper water, proper workout, nothing. Maybe if we done all those things for 1 day, 2 day, then after that we will not following the process. We just pausing it or we will just skip it. And then how should we can gain the weight? I will just divide into parts. First, put your mindset that you can gain the weight if you follow that process continuously for upcoming 3 to 4 months without an excuse. You can gain weight. First, understood that thing. Second thing, go to Google and type BMI calculator, and there would ask your age, height, weight, and all those things. Once you put all those things, they will show you if you're underweight or okay, correct weight or everything, and how much calorie you need to take every day to gain your weight. For example, if mine was 160 centimeter, my height is 160 centimeter, my weight was at that time 38 kg, and my age was 22. I typed all those things, and I got to know that I need to intake 2,500 calories every day for upcoming at least some months to gain weight. So this is the second thing. You have to go and identify how much calorie you need to take every single day to gain weight. So I understood that it's 2,500 calorie for me. Then what I did is for the whole 75 hard days, what I did is each single day I try to meet 2,500 plus calorie. No matter if sometimes the time is little bit go late or early, but still I try to meet 2,500 plus calories. Definitely there will be a bloating feeling. We will feel like, oh, I can't eat at a time 3-4 eggs. I can't drink this smoothie. I can't overload food. I was so I'm done with it. I don't have space in my stomach. We will feel that. We will feel like nausea and everything would be there, but you have to identify what all food suits you. If example, everyone says that curd is very good for weight gaining, but I don't like curd. While with the smell of curd, I was get triggered or irritated, so I avoided that. So like that, you have to understand that what all food suits you. Everyone knows that. Yeah, just Google it. That what are the calorie rich foods like cheese, egg, chicken, and what all. Like if you're a vegetarian, you can go for paneer and all those things. Just if you Google it, you will get what all the foods are calorie rich. So just try to meet 2,500 plus calories every single day. So what I did is I try to drink. I try to take more calories through smoothies, like liquid based calories, so it was easy for us to take. So I did like that. Okay, I'm not going with the proper diet and all those things, because I think so we will get it from everyone. And the third thing is, everyone is asking about the protein powder that I was using. Actually, I didn't use any what I use a protein powder of Muscle Blaze brand mass gainer, but I just used for a month only. After that, I thought so, okay, let's take it from food only. But my DMs are flooded with this question that which protein powder. I already mentioned, but still people are asking. People think that with only that protein powder we can gain weight. No, because without food, what all that things we're taking additionally just an boost only. Otherwise, the food is the main key. If we are skipping the food, just believing on the protein powder or something else, then it wouldn't work. I just took the protein powder on the initial month itself, and after that, I stopped it, and I thought so I will take it from food only, and I intake the food. 2,500 plus calories only through the food for upcoming 3-4 months. After that, my weight was gained. So skip about that part, just focusing on that how much food you can take, how much calorie you can take, and all those things. That's the third thing. And the fourth thing is proper workout. Actually, I was not much aware of the workouts because I don't have any knowledge about it. So I had a personal trainer for me. So he taken care of all of my workout things. But still, if I say so, if we are going to gym, then I went to gym. If you want, you can go to gym, or home workout also work. If you are disciplined, more disciplined, then definitely home workout also work. What I did is I did twice 45 minutes workout. One morning I went to gym. After that evening I do some push-ups and squats in my home itself. This is the workout that I was doing. So in workout you can do like that. And fifth thing is water. Minimum to minimum, take 3 liters of water every day. You can drink how much you want, but still at least minimum to minimum 3 liters of water must. It's very important. And the sixth thing is proper sleep. If you're sleeping at 11, okay, fine. Then wake up 6 or 6:30. Like, you need proper sleep. Sleep will help to gain weight, but only sleeping not will help to gain weight. You have to eat proper food, proper water, proper workout, then proper sleep. Okay, it would be go like that. This is all the things that help me to gain weight. That's it. But I did these things not only one day, not only 2 day, because yeah, I'm also a little bit lazy. But what I did is I took 75 hard challenge for particularly for this thing, and I followed it for that 75 days continuously without skipping. Even on my periods, I was taking 2,500 plus calories. Anyhow, I know that on that time we had pain, but still I workouts. I done with the workouts also, like small, minor, like walking, and also what stretching, like that small workout. I did that also. After that, I done with the food also. On that time also, I never skipped it. So it's all about consistency. This is the process. Like everyone knows the process. Yeah, just after we need to follow that process for a continuously, disciplinedly for a particular month. That's it. So this is the whole thing. I'm not taking this video much long. This is the whole point. If you have any doubts, please comment it below. Definitely, I will try to help. I will try to reply. But this is a thing. If you can follow, if you have the discipline to follow this for a particular month, definitely you will gain weight. That's it.